Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto mo pa-personal reading, Jane Tarot, reader, or kung gusto mo sa akin, friend ko kasi yun guys, pero kung gusto mo sa akin, these are the details para doon. So, i-check mo na lang yan. Facebook, TikTok shop is where you can buy products. Habang mine-prepare ko yung card para sa'yo. Wait lang ha. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of water sign? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. For the sign of water sign. Isang shuffle na lang. Pa-comment naman po dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng suporta, pagmamahal mula sa inyo. Four of Wands. Six of Cups. Eight of Wands. Nakakita tayo ng stability regarding the past. I don't know if it's a past person or previous job. May nakita nga pala akong paan ng kabayo. So this is like a lucky sign. I mean, it's like a symbol na parang paan ng kabayo. So, some of you pwede may involvement ng family. Or, could be, hindi para sa lahat yun, but some of you ganun. Pwedeng minsan ng offer ng family sa'yo, or maybe within the home, no? Or, kung hindi man pamilya mo mismo, someone na malapit sa pamilya mo, or maybe a friend na naging malapit or close ng family mo. So, like that. Nakakita tayo ng like stability pagdating dito. A person or a career in the past na pwede magbigay ng stability sa'yo. Could be an offer of a family or yun nga, malapit na kaibigan. I can see celebration. Some of you, there could be wedding ceremony, no? So, pwedeng may invitation or soon may mababaltaan kang an invitation about a wedding. For the sign of water sign, Page of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The Tower. The person that you're dealing with, o yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are the one getting married. Yung person na kakonect mo, this could be a person na pwedeng may kaya sa buhay, a lot of money. Page of Swords could be someone in your past, or either may connection kayo because of a child or maybe may childhood memories kayo ng person na ito. Tower is here, nakita tayo ng ending sa inyo ng person na ito because I feel like some of you hindi na kasi sure or hindi na sure yung connection ninyo. The death card is here, so pwedeng nagkakaroon ng ending sa connection ninyo. Scorpio energy, pwede nagkaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, or maybe yung pagkakagulo because of a child. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. The Hierophant, King of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Pentacles. Although nagkaroon ng ending dito, nakita natin na naging lesson naman kayo ng bawat isa. The King of Pentacles, I feel like pwedeng may mga naging offer itong person na ito in the past sa'yo, but then you see yourself na okay naman ako sa situation ko ngayon. Hindi ko gusto yun or hindi ko kailangan ng offer na yun. So, maybe you rejected the offer. No? And sa ngayon, happy naman itong person nakakonect mo. Tell me about the emotions. Two of Cups is here. Queen of Cups. What's with the Two of Cups? Temperance and Five of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo may mga bagay na kina-cut off because kailangan ng peacefulness, no? Sa connection sa relasyon. Maybe meron kang kinut off or iniwan or nilayuan na person para maging tahimik or okay lang ang lahat. And the person na kinut off mo is part of you, you love this person or itong person na to loves you so much. Ganun, pareho kayo. You do have a lot of love. Pero kahit ganun, you need to cut off someone in your life kasi para tahimik lang ang lahat. Parang ang energy is that masaya ka na kasi para sa kanya. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? The Moon, Knight of Wands, and the Tower. Four of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, King of Swords. Clarify the Tower. Three of Swords and the Lovers. Gemini energy. Gusto kita tanungin muna before, kasi I can see an ending. Pero this is an ending na pwede ikaw malungkot dito or hindi ka maging masaya. Like akala mo magiging okay ang lahat pag nangyari itong ending nito. Or pag nagtuloy-tuloy yung complete ending sa inyo, but definitely this will just give you a lot of heartbreak. Yung iba dyan, I mean you can comment down below if that is you. Nagpakasal, for example, hindi para sa lahat itong storya na to. Nagpakasal or magpapakasal, maybe because of a child or magpapakasal kasi yun yung dapat. Pero deep inside, alam mo, there's this longing na hindi naman talaga ito yung taong gusto mo talaga eh. Napilitan ka lang because there's responsibilities. And so, there's a possibility of heartbreak dahil dun sa ending na akala mo yun yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, na yun yung kailangan mo. Pero ang totoo niyan, ang sinaktan mo, sarili mo. Hindi lang naman yung person dito na involved ang pwedeng masaktan, but this could be you in the future na nasasaktan. So, think before doing something na pwedeng pagsisihan, malungkot ka, no? Kasi there's this match in heaven or match na like soulmate match. So, some of you, there's a person na right match for you. And maybe, nilagay mo lang itong person to as an option. And in the future, the Four of Pentacles, because masyado ka nag-ingat, masyado mong inisip yung kapakanan ng iba, or yung sarili mo, itinago mo yung emotions mo, there's a possibility na in the end, yung taong ika-cut off mo would be the person na dapat naman talaga or nakatadhana dapat talaga sa'yo. And tendency this would lead into major heartbreak kasi maaaring huli mo ng lahat, huli na bago mo realize ito. Okay? So, yun yung nakukuha natin. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.